In this video, I'll walk you step by step how to use the Communications portal in your SimpleGym account. The Communications portal lets you send emails to all or a select group of your current and past gym members with pre-written templates or from scratch. Let's get started. First, click Communications on your sidebar menu. Then select your email recipients. Select a subset if applicable. In this case, we want to send to all of our white belts, so we'll select by belt, then white belt. Notice that only those belts that are enabled in your account will appear in the dropdown. Now, let's compose the email. Select from a number of pre-written email templates. You can also select blank email template to write an email from scratch. We'll select Gym Welcome. Now, make any edits to the email subject or template. Notice there's dynamically inserted text in the emails. For example, this email will begin with the member's full name. Finally, click Send Preview to send yourself the email before you send it out. And if it looks good, click Send Email to your selected gym members. That's it. You're now ready to start sending communications from your SimpleGym account. If you have any questions about the Communications portal, check out our detailed support article. Or, if you have a question we haven't covered, you can ask our team directly by creating a support ticket.